Welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading in 2025. The landscape of digital currencies has evolved dramatically over the past few years, and what was once a niche market has now become a global phenomenon. Crypto has come a long way, it's gone mainstream. From being a speculative investment, it has transformed into a widely accepted form of payment. You can now use cryptocurrencies for everyday transactions, from buying coffee to booking flights. Big institutions are involved now. Major financial institutions and large-scale investment firms have entered the crypto space, bringing with them a level of legitimacy and stability that was previously missing. We're also seeing exciting new developments like Web3. This new iteration of the internet, built on blockchain technology, promises to revolutionize how we interact online, making it more decentralized and secure. But remember, with more rewards come more risks. The crypto market is known for its high volatility, and prices can swing dramatically in a short period. It's crucial to be aware of these risks before diving in. Volatility is higher, and there are more scams to watch out for. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies makes them a target for fraud and scams. Always do your research and stay vigilant. This guide will help you navigate this new world, focusing on a unique player, Picoin. Picoin is gaining traction for its innovative approach and community-driven model. This isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about understanding the long-term potential of cryptocurrencies and how they can fit into your overall investment strategy. This is about understanding a fundamental shift in how we think about money and the internet. Cryptocurrencies are at the forefront of a digital revolution that is reshaping our financial systems. We'll cover the basics of trading and then dive deeper into Picoin. You'll learn the essential skills needed to start trading and understand what makes Picoin stand out in the crowded crypto market. You'll learn how to buy, sell, and most importantly, stay safe. Security is paramount in the crypto world, and we'll provide tips on how to protect your digital assets. Whether you're a complete beginner or have dipped your toes into crypto, this guide is for you. We'll provide insights and strategies for all levels of experience. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the crypto space. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to navigate this exciting and ever-changing landscape. Let's get started. The crypto market in 2025 is a different beast than it was just a few years ago. The landscape has evolved dramatically, with new technologies and innovations reshaping the way we think about digital assets. Remember the hype cycle? We're past that now. The wild speculation and frenzied buying have given way to a more measured and strategic approach. Things have matured, regulations are clearer. Governments around the world have stepped in to provide a framework that ensures stability and security for investors. Big institutions are finally taking crypto seriously. Major financial players who once viewed cryptocurrencies with skepticism are now integrating them into their portfolios and strategies. But that doesn't mean it's boring. Far from it. The market is as dynamic and exciting as ever, with new opportunities emerging every day. The market is still volatile. Prices can swing dramatically in a matter of minutes, keeping traders on their toes and creating a thrilling environment. New trends are popping up all the time. From innovative blockchain solutions to cutting-edge financial products, the crypto space is constantly evolving. DeFi, NFTs, Web3, it can feel overwhelming. The sheer volume of new concepts and technologies can be daunting, but they also represent incredible potential. One of the most exciting developments is the rise of real-world asset tokenization. This trend is bridging the gap between the digital and physical worlds. Think real estate, art, even private equity, all represented on the blockchain. This not only democratizes access but also enhances the liquidity of traditionally illiquid assets. This is huge. It means more liquidity, transparency, and accessibility for investors of all sizes. The barriers to entry are lower, and the playing field is more level. The bottom line is this: the crypto market in 2025 is more stable, more regulated, and more integrated with the traditional financial system. It's a far cry from the Wild West days of early crypto, but it's also more complex and fast-paced than ever before. Navigating this landscape requires knowledge, agility, and a keen eye for emerging trends. Let's talk about Picoin. Remember that mobile mining app that everyone was talking about? Well, it's grown up. Pi Network has transitioned to its mainnet. That means real transactions, real utility, and real potential. Pi is now listed on several exchanges. It's got a growing community and is being used for more and more things all the time. The beauty of Pi is its focus on accessibility. You don't need expensive mining rigs or technical expertise to get involved. But remember, with popularity comes scrutiny. There are scams out there pretending to be Pi. Always stick to official channels and do your research. The future of Pi is still being written. But one thing's for sure, it's a fascinating case study in how a grassroots project can disrupt the status quo. Ready to jump into the world of crypto trading? It's easier than you think. First things first, choose an exchange. This is where you'll buy and sell your crypto. There are two main types, centralized and decentralized. We'll cover the differences later. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account. This usually involves verifying your identity with some basic information. Don't worry, it's all standard procedure. Next up, you need to fund your account. Most exchanges accept fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, which you can then use to buy crypto. Finally, it's time to place your trade. You'll need to choose a trading pair, which is simply two currencies that you want to exchange. For example, you might trade Bitcoin for Ethereum, BTC ETH, or Pi for Tether, PI USDT. And that's it. You've made your first crypto trade. Congratulations! Section 5. Choosing the right exchange, centralized versus decentralized. Let's talk more about choosing an exchange. The world of cryptocurrency can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to selecting the right platform for your trading needs. As we mentioned earlier, there are two main types, centralized and decentralized. Each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages that cater to different kinds of users. Centralized exchanges, or CEXs, are like the big banks of the crypto world. They act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers, providing a secure and user-friendly environment for trading. They're user-friendly, offer a wide range of coins, and have high liquidity. This means you can easily buy and sell your assets without worrying about finding a buyer or seller. But they also control your funds and are subject to regulations. This means that your assets could be frozen or seized if the exchange faces legal issues or regulatory scrutiny. Decentralized exchanges, or DEX on the other hand, are more like peer-to-peer marketplaces. They allow users to trade directly with one another without the need for an intermediary. You're in complete control of your funds and there's no central authority. This means you have full ownership and responsibility for your assets, which can be a double-edged sword. However, they can be more complex to use and have lower liquidity. This can make it harder to execute trades quickly and efficiently, especially for beginners. So, which type of exchange is right for you? The answer depends on your individual needs, preferences, and risk tolerance. It depends on your needs and risk tolerance. If you prioritize ease of use and liquidity, a centralized exchange might be the best choice for you. If you're just starting out, a CEX is probably the way to go. They offer a more straightforward and user-friendly experience, which can be crucial for newcomers. But if you value privacy and control above all else, a DEX might be a better fit. These platforms offer greater autonomy and security but require a higher level of understanding and responsibility. Section 6. Funding your account, from fiat to crypto. Once you've chosen an exchange and created an account, it's time to fund it. This is how you'll get your hands on some crypto. Most exchanges accept fiat currency, which you can deposit directly from your bank account. This is usually the easiest and most cost-effective way to fund your account. Another option is to use a credit or debit card. This is convenient, but be aware that some exchanges charge fees for this service. Finally, you can also fund your account with crypto that you already own. This is typically done by transferring your crypto from another exchange or wallet. Once your account is funded, you're ready to start trading. Section 7. Navigating the Pi network, buying and trading Pi. Now let's dive into the specifics of buying and trading Pi coin. The first step is to find an exchange that lists Pi. You can usually find this information on the Pi network website or on coin tracking websites like CoinMarketCap. Once you've found an exchange, you can buy Pi using the same process we outlined earlier. Simply choose a trading pair that includes Pi, like PI USDT, and place your order. If you're looking for a more direct way to buy and sell Pi, you can also explore peer-to-peer trading platforms. These platforms connect buyers and sellers directly, allowing you to negotiate your own prices. Just be sure to use escrow services and take precautions to avoid scams. The Pi network community is a great resource for finding reputable peer-to-peer traders. Section 8. Staying safe in the crypto world. The crypto world can be a wild west. While exciting, it's crucial to prioritize security. Here are some essential tips. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your exchange and wallet accounts. Use strong passwords. Don't use easily guessable passwords. Consider a password manager. Beware of phishing scams. Double-check website URLs and be wary of suspicious emails or messages. Store your crypto securely. Consider using a hardware wallet for long-term storage. Research before investing. Don't fall for hype. Do your own research on any project before investing. Remember, security is an ongoing process. Stay informed about the latest scams and best practices to protect yourself and your investments. Section 9. The future is decentralized continuous learning. Congratulations, you're well on your way to navigating the exciting world of crypto trading in 2025, especially with Picoin. But the learning doesn't stop here. The crypto space is constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve by engaging with the community, reading industry news, and exploring new projects. There are countless resources available online, from YouTube channels to dedicated crypto news websites. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and navigate the exciting opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. Remember, the future is decentralized. Be a part of it.